holders doing a very big mistake at this time. My friends, please don't do this mistake. If you do this mistake, so absolutely you are at the loss, because this mistake is very seriously, and in this time, especially on 28 May, the holders decide to do this mistake. Absolutely, my friends, if you don't do this mistake, so I hope you will get much profit from the harmony. Anyways, keep watching this video for more details, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Let's move on, my friends. First of all, we look the latest details, latest update of the harmony one, and after that we discuss the mistake of holders. Let's start. So first, my friends, if we look the latest price of the harmony one in the market, so 0.106169 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the harmony in the market. On the other side, if we look the price changes occurs in the harmony, so you can see here that the last 1 hour pricing is positive, last 1 day pricing is negative, last 1 week pricing is also negative. Only the last 1 hour pricing is positive, so that's good. But my friends, as you know, it is the end of month, and let's see, my friends, the price chart, and it is the end of month, so at this time every cryptocurrency is fast down, my friends, because it is the end of month, and especially the short-term investor want profit from the cryptocurrencies and they decide to sell has gone. So that is why the price of every cryptocurrency is fast down, my friends. So now, as I show you, my friends, you can see here, let me show you, friends, my friends, let me show. It is the, if you look, as you can see here, if you look the 25 May, fast down, take a jump, fast down, take a jump, fast down, same like that. This process continued throughout this whole month in the last, because it is the end of month, and the end of month the price falls down, my friends. So that is why at this time a holder is doing a very big mistake, that they decide to sell harmony at this time, my friends. Personally, I recommend for everyone to, it's not perfect time to sell, my friends. You can see that is the last 1 month price chart of the harmony. If you look the price changes occur in the harmony, so you can see that the price change is negative, 29.55% pricing is negative. So that's mean, my friends, if you decide to sell harmony on this price, so you're in the loss, because the price change occurs in the harmony as still negative in the last 1 month. So that is why if you decide to sell, so you are in the loss. And on the other side, if you decide to hold, my friends, so maybe in the future they take a huge pump, maybe in the future price and rise up, so you will get a profit from the harmony. And remember, my personal prediction is that in the start of June they have a lot of chances to the price move upward, and the price will become high, my friends. Anyways, my friends, I remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research, my friend. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.